Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you what to do if Xinput 13DLL is missing from your computer. So for that, at first just go to your Chrome browser and open a tab. Now search here directX download. Now after that, go to the first website, download directX. In this website you can just download it by clicking download, but if you go back and click on the second website, download directX, it will be automatically downloaded. Here you can see, just click on the file location, and here you can see the file is here. Now in your Windows search bar, search for command prompt and clicking enter, just type this ragsvr32 xinput 13 DLL. Just type this and click on enter. If it is not working, then click on OK, and you have to just go to your Chrome again. Now in your Chrome browser, just search for download Xinput 13 DLL. This one, click on it, Xinput, scroll down and just download it, the latest version. Click on download, and after clicking on download, here you can see it is downloaded. Now click on the files location. Now you can just extract it by clicking it, or you can just open it. Click on this Xinput 3 DLL, copy it. Now go back and go to your local disk. Now click on Windows and just scroll down for System 32. Go to this System 32 and paste it here. I don't have the issue, that's why I'm not going to paste it, because I have already installed it, and after that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can solve the problem. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.